Hi guys, good evening. I am Suhail Khalid Indar. Today date is 9th February 2022 and today I am discuss on the topic access modifiers in Java. So let's start. So start with what is access modifier. So access modifier which is gives us to accessibility for our class, our methods and or our constructors. It's called as access modifier. If we change our accessibility of our method, class or constructor, then we change at that time we change the access modifier and change its accessibility. So access modifier are mainly two types. First one is non-access modifier and second one is access modifier. So first we see non-access modifier. Some non-access modifiers are present. That like first is a abstract, second is a native, third is a synchronized, fourth is a transient, and fifth is a static. So some some example of the non-access modifiers, and second one we see access modifiers. So what is access modifier and which types of access modifier? So mainly four types of access modifier are available. First one is public, second one is default, third one is private, and fourth one is protected. So let's see one by one. First one is public access modifier. Public access modifier is the modifier when we use public access modifier. At that time we access our class from everywhere. Like if we use before if we use in a, any before any method as a public class and we write a public access modifier, at that time we use this class and we access this class in the class out from outside the class in the packet and from outside the package. We access it because we use public access modifier. The next second one is our default access modifier. At that time we does not create any access modifier. At that time the compiler create or the system create its default access modifier, and the default access modifier it gives accessibility of our code or our methods in a class or from outside the class, but it does not give accessibility outside the package. Third one is protected protected access modifier. When we use protected access modifier, at that time, like we suppose we write any method and or any class, and in that class we use private we use protect access modifier. At that time we only access this class variables or methods in only at this particular class in this particular class, and if we create the subclass of this particular class, only we use the method or the variables from this class to in subclass or its child class. If we does not create a child class of this particular class, at that time we does not access the methods or variables of this class from the outside the class. It is use of protected access modifier. And last one is private access modifier. Private access modifier, it name self reveal. Private means if we use in any method or any class as a private access modifier and as a private class, it's known as a private class. And its a meaning is if we write any in front of any method as a private access modifier, at that time the variables and the method of this particular class is only accessible in this particular method. We does not access this we does not access the method or variables in this we does not access the variables or method of this class in the outside from the outside class or from the outside of package or in a whole package. We only access this the class of variables of this class or method in this particular only this particular class. So it's total about access modifiers. So let's thank you.